Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on print screen shortcut for Snipping Tool in Windows 11. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your settings. Now click on Accessibility. Now scroll down and click on Keyboard. Here you can see use the print screen key to open screen capture. You have to turn on this button. So this is how you can turn on print screen shortcut for Snipping Tool in Windows 11. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.